guys, and today I'm going to try and get 7 years old on for you. And if it doesn't work, I'm going to have to tell you. So, yeah, here we go. Well, guys, I can't really get it, so I'll get it in a bit. But here's a little bit of, you've been framed.
He's wobbling like a nodding dog. Those turtles are sharpening you cheese. I hate animals, don't you? Especially turtles on steroids. Turtles on steroids. Lord Cole, get it sorted, would you? Thanks for joining me for another one of my pet hates. Spring watch, and wherever there's a camera, there's someone trying to get on TV. Who's that? It's a midget of some description, but we won't know for sure because he's wearing a mask. Loving the elongated L-shaped shed, by the way. Ideal for keeping massive boomerangs in.
Here's the girls that are going to scream once the birds dance to it. Go ahead.
This is how they get little Nicks to sing in the studio. Then Simon pops in with a pre-digested worm, and they fight over it.
Okay, sing your song, girls.
By the way, that's not a nest, it's Elton John's wig. Yes, when he's finished with them, he donates them to the RSPB. The Circle of Life.